Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, if you haven't read the title already, this is a review and try-on haul about the Clyde trench from Sezane. So the Clyde trench recently came out, I think a couple months ago. They came out with the one color, the camel, and that sold out in like a few minutes or so, maybe an hour. And so they restocked that, sold out again, and then they came out with four new colors. They came out with light beige, ecru, dark khaki, and black, along still with the camel color. And when they all got released, sold out. So they recently restocked all the colors, and I think a couple of colors sold out, like the light beige, I think black, dark khaki. I'm not sure about ecru, but obviously the camel is still available. I'll link it down below. But I love the Clyde trench. It literally is the perfect trench coat that I've been looking for. I don't have a trench coat that is in like the brown color or like the classic trench color because I haven't found that color that I want, specifically in the style I wanted in my head. The style that I'm really looking for a trench is that it's oversized. It's long enough to keep me warm because if I'm going to be wearing it, it should be transitional to spring, fall, and possibly sometimes winter. So, you know, I'm not wearing a trench coat during the summer, but like it has to be able to keep me warm and, do its necessity. One of the things that I don't like about certain trench coat styles is the extra toggles, extra buttons, a belt. I don't like that. I want a minimal, crisp, streamlined, simple trench coat, and the Clyde trench just speaks to that. And originally I did get the camel and then I got in the wrong size, so I had to reorder it and wait for it to restock. I woke up at 3:20 a.m. and ordered. Was I half asleep when I ordered? I was. So I just added to cart and paid. Anyways, so it recently arrived. I bought two colors, the camel and the light beige. And I love it. I have it both. Oh my god. I have it both right here. I have the camel and the light beige. And one of the details that I love about the Clyde is the inside lining. It is fully lined. I just wish it had an inside pocket because that would be so useful. And if they came out with a shorter version, I would love that. Sezane, please come out with a shorter version of it. It would be amazing. Or at least a petite size. But, so I have the camel right here and the light beige right here. My dilemma is obviously I can't pick which color to keep, and I can't keep both. So I will be styling these two with the same outfit with these trench. And if you can, please help me in the comment section down below. That would be amazing because that would really help keep which one. So I'm going to try with different styles, different outfits, different pants, different shirts, maybe some sweaters. Let's see which trench I shall keep. So please let me know. But overall, I do love the trench. The colors are very different. It's not like that lighter khaki that you usually see. This one may be the light beige, but you can see the check pattern. It's fully lined. They should have had a pocket right here, but that's besides the point. But it's a very streamlined, it's very, you'll see in the outfits comparison that it's very long. It is full length on me, so let's get started with the outfits. So those were the outfits. If you could just help me which color to pick, that would be amazing. And if you haven't done so already, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!